we are going to use two sounds. This is not the mantra, I'm telling you. This is not, don't think, confuse this to be the mantra meditation. No. This is a guided meditation. Guided meditation is good just to give you a glimpse of more meditation. But when you want to do on your own, it's better you take mantra meditation, Sahaj, the art of meditation. And of course, sometimes you can put a CD and sit and use that guided meditation also. Time to time, not every day. Time to time you can do that. Mantra meditation you can do every day, anywhere. Sit and just take your mantra and just let go and be with it. Okay? Today we are going to use two sounds. One is ho, ho, like that. We have the 7 centers in our body. These 7, again, they are secret centers. Sacred center. 7 centers in our body corresponding to the endocrine glands, endocrine systems. So we are going to 6 times, we are going to say ho with all full force and energy. We have to take a deep breath and then just relax the body and ho, ho, like that. Wait. I'm just showing, and we'll do it together. Okay? Ho, like that. And then the 7th time, 6th time we are going to say ho. The 7th time we are going to say he. Okay? Ready? So buckle up. Sit comfortably, easily and comfortably, spine erect and body relaxed. Sometimes people sit like this for meditation. You know, the whole time they'll be so body conscious. You know, what comes out of them is only anger. Later on, because they put so much effort, that effort and the stiffness doesn't really bring in that meditative quality. If you have meditated, you should feel light like a flower. Your inside feels like so soft, beautiful, delicate, delicious, comfortable. That's how the inside starts. But if you feel uptight and angry, upset inside, meditation has not happened. Now, don't sit and every day, oh, I'm not feeling, I had to feel very soft and gentle, whatever Guruji said, this has to happen. It's not going to happen. Because that anxiety itself, will be a block for that to happen. That's why it's a very delicate situation. You cannot expect things to happen. You simply have to be. Just be with it. Let it be. Yeah? Experiences come and they change, they go. Every day will be different experiences, never mind. Just the procedure need to be correct. Procedure is what? Not being uptight, at the same time not being like this. You start like this, it doesn't work. While you start, or you lie down in your couch with your legs up, I am meditating, you are fooling yourself. What are you doing? Meditating. It's not going to work. See? Not like the way you watch the television with a bag of potato chips. No, oh, by eating also you can get into meditation. Guruji has said it. Meditating. No. Your spine erect but body relaxed. Your shoulders relaxed. Relaxed. You start like this. Start with your spine erect and body relaxed, not stiff, but shoulders are relaxed. Head straight. Huh. Then we close your eyes and just let go. During meditation, if the head goes down, never mind, it's okay. Head may be like this, it's fine. Your head can go down or go to side or whatever. Whatever position it takes, it is fine. But you don't start with that. You got the point? No? So let's begin. Let's sit comfortably, easily. Spine erect, body relaxed. A best example is the coat hanger, how the coat hangs in the hanger. Like that the body is hanging. Just the spine is erect, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. A big smile on your face. Relax your body. Billions of cells have come together as your body for a period of time. Then they're going to disintegrate. They all go in many directions. Honor all these cells. Honor your own body. Our body is like the wick of a candle, the mind is like the glow all around it. Our body is inside our mind. Our mind is all around our body. Let's take a deep breath in. Let go all your efforts. Just let it be. If there is stress, just let it be. Discomfort, let it be. Comfort, let it be. Let go all your efforts and repose in yourself. Let go and relax. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You are peace. You are peace. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your body and surroundings and gently take another breath. And as you breathe out, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes. Was it good?